What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dan back at you with another rip. And today we're ripping Hanger Box's 2025 update. Always chasing Kurtz on the channel. I hope everybody is super safe and staying warm inside. I'm sure a lot of shoveling's going on, at least where I am. We had a major blizzard hit, the biggest blizzard I've seen in a decade. It's probably been, I think it was the biggest blizzard in over a decade. It's crazy out. Crazy. We have over 2 feet of snow. Maybe I'll show some footage of that later, but let's get into that. Let's get a Kurtz. Possibly gold. You never know. Maybe pull a purple. Pink. Parallel. Run the 800. That would be super cool. All right. Series 1, the rookie class is just significantly better than, I just always love update, but rookie class is just significantly better. All right. Let's start this out with an Adal Amador. Hopefully we get some good stuff in this one. Urshela. Kurtz, oh Kurtz, where are you? Where are you, Kurtz? Another Yankees win today, 6-4. Aaron Judge getting WBC ready. Hit 2 home runs on the start of spring training. His first game. Let's get into, we're starting, I think, get maybe into the good stuff. Is Cade Horton, like him this year. Caleb Durbin. Red Sox. Isn't this a cool card? Look how big Ellie is to Matt McLean. It's a great card right there. And Gunnar Hoglund. So we're going to get into the good stuff soon. I don't know if I see anything yet. I don't want to reveal it anyway. Load of rookies right there. Load of rookies. All right, we got our first upside down. It's Tyler Soderstrom on the foil. We got it's not James Wood. It's Orlando Ribalta. Orlando Ribalta. All right, Mr. Pitcher. You go on the stage. And a pink dynamite. Drake Baldwin. It's a good one. Got him sleeved. Not numbered, of course. Not hitting any numbered cards in this. Like, this should be 3 boxes opened. No numbered. I don't think this is numbered either. Kevin Alcantara rookie. Got something else backwards. It's a Shohei. No, it's Ha-Seong Kim, black and white. Sorry, I thought it was Shohei for a second. And a Matt Shaw. I like Matt Shaw. He's probably going to get some limited time, though, the Alex Bregman signing. Now you go up there. And this is going to be Stars of MLB. We get into Kurtz. Always chasing Kurtz. And that's going to wrap it up. All in all, I hope everybody's staying safe. I just wanted to rip a box, just knowing everybody's probably home and just not much to do out. You know, obviously, if you want to play in the snow, have a great time and be safe. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite pull was. There wasn't much to pull. I know it was just one hanger, but just wanted to keep it fun, classy. And that's it. So comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite card was, favorite team, anything. Till next time. Peace.